Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how to resolve this error. Fail to create session as an unknown server side error occurred while processing the command. Original error is app option is required for reinstall. How to do this in the APM, guys? For that, guys, you can easily open your emulator. You can see that app you have to install externally as a APK file. Once you have done that, guys, download an APK file or any file. Try to install that same file in the try to drag and drop that same file to the emulator. Once you have dragged and dropped that file to the emulator, start the session again. Now this should properly start the session without any issues. Start the server. Now start the session. So once you have started the session, that error should not come. It should actually load the app. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.